Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can resize in your Sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sketchbook app, and once you open it you will end up in this page. So simply press on the log like option, and from there select the new sketch option. So from here in this 3 slides option, and press on the side and plus sign on the bottom corner. So from here you can simply select to discard or save the sketch according to your size preference which you have chosen. And if you want to do it again, simply repeat the step, and you can even use it to make the landscape or portrait options through the drop down menu bar. So this is how you resize your canvas in the Sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.